Hi everyone, I'm Randall, and first I'd like to wish you all a very happy new year. 2026 is my 16th year as a YouTuber. Actually, I prefer the term YouTube creator, but it's more popular to say YouTuber. And if you've been following along with my videos, you know that we have pretty much finished the conversion of our garage to living space. But while I was transferring videos from my laptop to storage devices, I realized I missed 3 or 4 very important videos that's part of the process. And being a perfectionist at chronological order, I'm going to post them and then I will put them in the playlist in the proper chronological order. But for now, I've got to get this done. The reason for explaining this to you is I don't want you to be confused why we're going backwards in time. There's no other way to change the timestamp on a video. So with that said, we'll move on, get it done, and then I'm not sure what my next project is going to be for my YouTube channel. That's another story. Now I'll take you for a brief tour of our new garage space. It's still a work in progress. We are organizing things in bins, taking them out of other rooms of the house that were temporarily cluttered with that stuff, and bringing them here into the new space of the garage. This will give us some time to figure out what to do with it, but that said, typically when you put it in a box or in a bin, it's going to stay there for a while. We love the windows, the brightness, the glass doors. It gives you a sense of space and light. Well, not today. These wraparound steps are perfect. You can get up the platform from any angle, and this little bathroom has done really well for us so far. Soon you'll see me assembling that shower. That was a challenge. The glass door to the main part of our house. It's really a very nice space. Very comfortable. We love it. So Diane and I are very pleased with the results of this project, and I hope you enjoyed the journey with us. Meanwhile, follow along and we'll try to keep you entertained until I have no more energy to hold up my iPhone camera. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the remaining videos of our project, converting our garage to living space.